So, who is this laptop for? Buy this if you are a design-first user who wants the most futuristic-looking Windows laptop, period. You live an exclusively wireless and USB-C life and never, ever use wired headphones. You prioritize premium build quality and a stunning screen over all-day battery life and practical ports. Skip this if you need a laptop that lasts a full workday without a charger. You're a heavy typist who relies on tactile feedback and a standard function row. You need to plug in, well, anything. A USB-A drive, an HDMI cable, or wired headphones. The Dell XPS 13 is a beautiful, flawed experiment. It's a peek into a very minimal future, but it has arrived about 2 years before our accessories and habits are ready for it.